Hey there, art enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Impressionistic painting, and we're going to create a beautiful landscape featuring poppy flowers. Impressionism, as an art movement, focuses on capturing fleeting moments and the sensations they evoke. So, let's do just that. Firstly, gather your supplies: canvas, brushes in varying sizes, paints in shades of orange and red for the poppy flowers, greens and blues for the surrounding landscape, and maybe some yellow or white for added highlights. Now for the landscape. Impressionistic landscapes often feature bold brushstrokes that create a sense of movement and energy. Use green tones for grasses or trees around your poppies. Don't be afraid to mix shades, or even use a little blue to add a serene sky in the distance. And start with your poppy flowers. The beauty of Impressionism is in rough brushstrokes and vivid colors. Use slight touches to paint the blossoms with shades of orange and red. Remember to use different strokes to create depth and movement. It's not about perfection, but about capturing the essence of your subject. You can always smudge or blend your paints to create a softer effect if you wish. Once you've finished your landscape scene with poppy flowers, take a step back and admire your work. Impressionistic painting isn't about precise detail, but about conveying feeling through color and movement. So there you have it, a quick guide on creating an impressionistic painting of a landscape featuring poppy flowers. I hope this inspires you to unleash your artistic spirit. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative adventures. Until next time.